My ants need a well hydrated nest. That's why I built these water towers to give them the perfect hydration. In this video, I will show you how I built the perfect water tower for my Camp Nautis colony. Firstly, you need to gather some small containers to use as the base of the water tower. The container needs to be strong enough so that you can cut off the top half of the container without breaking the bottom half. Afterwards, you will need to carve out a piece of your nest to add the water tower. For the first step, you need to gather a mesh that is small enough so that the ants can go through it, but big enough for water to evaporate through the holes. Now you can cut out the piece of the mesh and glue it to the top of the water tower. I used a cheap see-through curtain which is working perfectly. After the glue has dried, cut off the excess pieces of mesh. Now you need to gather a cotton swab that we are later going to use to hydrate the water tower. Cut off the sides of the cotton swab to make your small straw. I didn't record this part, but you need to drill a hole in the side of the nest and in the side of the water tower to insert the cotton swab. After everything is fitted into place and you made sure that there is enough space between the glass and the water tower for the ants to pass through, you can start gluing the water tower to the nest. The important thing you need to remember is to make sure that you don't leave any glue on top of the mesh. I did the exact same thing in another nest, and as you can see, the ants are loving the water tower. The ants are practically only living on top of the water tower, so I decided that I need to add another water tower to their nest. If you want to know how I built this incredible nest, go and watch the video in my description and on my channel.